Okay.
And this power switch on is wake up.
Power.
Yes. And this display is
Hindi na naman ang boses ito.
this main display. Display menu 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change it to display.
Okay.
Push to display button. 1,
This one,
2,
2.
3, 4. This come back.
Okay.
Okay. This digital meter is wing to sub display.
Wing.
Yes.
Wing.
Main display
Only.
1, 2, 3, 4 is on. And on basic to speed this meter.
Yeah.
This now is ground speed.
Ground speed.
Yes. Change it to mode. This tracking mode. Press to this water speed.
Yan ang log.
And this gauge, green is ground speed. Change it to water is a blue.
Iba dapat water speed yung Doppler.
Yes, sir.
Pag ground speed, pag maneuvering yan, Tek.
Yes.
Pag maneuvering, we change to ground speed for know how to this one. Because water now have current, so that's why have speed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only underway water. Mas second water.
But maneuvering, because sometimes pilot want the speed boom movement and stern movement and ship like that, so we have to transfer to ground speed.
Ground speed.
Yeah, for maneuvering. Okay. Okay.
Change display. This
Water.
home base stick color is blue is water.
Yeah.
Okay. And change this auto mode is auto tuning. Ground speed, water speed, automatically tuning.
Alternately change.
Change. Yeah.
And ground speed change to color is green. Now ground speed.
Yeah, green.
Red water speed.
Green. Blue.
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 Okay. And this button is day mode is a night mode.
Okay. Day, night.
This day mode, night mode. And this brilliant
brilliant.
adjustment. Okay. And this menu,
Pag nag-reset ka,
sorry,
di ba?
change
Pag
to display.
lagyan ng reset.
Reset.
Yes. This trip distance and the total distance is
If we
to
reset the trip distance to 0,
Reset.
Yes.
How?
Yes. Open to menu.
Daming pinili.
This trip
Trip
distance. Yes.
Enter.
Enter. This reset button or set
reset.
to 000.
Oh?
That's to enter.
Dahil pipindutin ah. Dahil pipindutin.
Hindi mo,
Okay, check. Okay. Or one click to reset. Next to total
trip distance lang naman.
Trip distance sir.
O reset, pwede mo reset.
Total distance.
Enter. Same operate set. Your manual reset or one click to reset.
Ah, okay.
Automatic reset na lang, 0.
Yes sir. Oh.
Sorry to captain. Manual reset only.
Manual reset
Yes.
only, no
automatically
automatic.
nothing.
Okay, you
Continue,
put
continue.
000.
Yes.
Okay.
Always put 00.
If select reset only, no 00.
This or
No.
Input manually.
yes.
How about this one?
Okay.
If try sir,
Try.
possible.
Try.
Yes.
If 100, you only choose reset,
Yeah, reset.
and enter. Yes, comes to 0. Okay.
Ayun, pwede yun sir. Kaysa yung mag-i-input pa, di ba sir?
Yung total distance, 0 pa rin, no? 100 pa rin. You have to reset enter.
Select enter. Are you sure? Yes.
Yes.
Not
Total.
reset.
If freeze, it's come back to me.
Pag okay sir. Hindi pa nga pala okay.
Okay, okay.
You need to go back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Automatic reset possible. Even no manual.
Ah,
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero usually, pag tumaputan ito, water to eh. Di ba? Yung lag, speed lag. Di ba water speed dapat to?
Water speed.
Yes, sir. Water.
Kailangan natin sa ano.
Non-report. Reporting.
May ground na sa GPS eh.
And next to self-test, open to menu.
Safety test. Self-test.
Yes, self-test.
Menu.
Test.
Test. Name to system test.
Okay.
System test.
Yeah. Press to enter.
And then,
It's testing.
wait,
And-
wait for result.
And this important test.
Okay.
Okay.
Kung gumagana.
Other one, display.
Display to next page.
Oh, next page. Post minute rin.
So you need to push first this one, then after
Display.
display.
Okay.
Next.
Ayun pala yun. Push display to go to next.
No print out.
Sorry, cannot to print out.
Only save. Only save.
Yes, you are take to your picture.
Yeah.
How to record the testing?
No history.
Evidence. No evidence. No history.
History. Save. Test history.
History.
Because sometimes PEC asks
yeah.
how test.
I see.
How do you test? Then I said like this test. Show me evidence. No evidence.
Next to take a photo.
Only photo.
Only photo.
Or and your record.
Only record and photo.
Print mo na lang.
Okay.
Okay.
May picture
Every time test, take picture one by one and then record.
Record. No history. No save this test. No save here.
Sorry,
No.
cannot to.
Cannot save. Cannot save. Okay.
Fresh menu. Okay. 3 times.
Yes, 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Display. Go to next.
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Next test, display. Already finished.
Only this one system test. This one. No.
Already finished?
Already finished.
Normally used to system.
System
test.
only.
Yes.
Okay.
But is display unique?
Yeah.
Same
same.
difference.
Yes.
Okay.
All together.
This page to display
Already,
only. Yes.
if system, if you push display, then another continue finish.
Yes.
Okay.
The system is general test or
Okay.
self test.
Okay pala may next. Okay.
Speed.
Yes.
LCD.
Color.
Normally it's better using to system test.
Only system test normally.
Ano nyo lang yan doon yung aso ko, nakatali na yun.
Water speed lock.
Always water.
Yes. Doppler speed lock to indicate 10 minutes. Analog meter. And go to link to sub monitor, you are looking.
That speed. Ayan ang analog niya.
Oh, yung repeater sir dito.
Yan ang maganda.
Open?
Yes.
Oh, double.
And this and cover.
Display also.
Yung sa analog doon.
Mas maganda ang ating
Digital meter is 5. Change to display.
display also.
Ah, yan yung 5.
Press to display. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
Yan ang maganda mag...
5.
So, down there is only 4 display.
Yes,
This one 5.
yes. Sub monitor is 5.
Yeah.
This one only monitor, you cannot change the setting here. Only repeater.
Master unit to main monitor.
Oh, okay.
Settings
Better.
only.
Better in.
Is-
But the here cannot change setting.
Can do
This-
also.
Can do also.
Yes,
Okay.
cannot to
Oh, cannot.
Yes.
Okay.
this sub monitor.
Only monitor. Okay.
But it indicate to display setting to main monitor, sub monitor is different. But it's main unit to setting to sub monitor not operating. Change it to main monitor.
So test, no need test here, only main.
Self test to
Test.
main monitor is main program. Sub monitor is different.
Different. So need to test also.
Yes.
Oh, separate.
Dami mo record this.
Yes.
Yung repeater niya.
System test also.
Yes. And,
Okay. Same. Okay.
yes.
Pindutin mo.
Sub monitor next page is nothing.
Nothing. Only one
Only
page.
one.
Yes.
Only one.
Page.
So exit 3 times menu.
Oh,
Exit.
1,
Yes.
2, 3.
Okay, very short. Short test.
Also can change the tracking, ground and water.
Good morning, sir.
Can change.
Change. Yes.
No.
It cannot.
Cannot change.
Yes.
Oh.
This sub monitor is not
Okay.
operating. It's main monitor.
Only main changing.
If
Yeah,
what is displayed there in the main display here?
Same.
Same
If
this.
water
Water.
also.
Yes.
Bakit
Okay,
nilag?
okay.
Hindi na nilagay ito.
So tracking mode cannot be changed here, only there.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Because in
The monitor
Iwakuni,
wanted to indicate the different.
Yeah.
Main monitor is sub monitor.
so this one in not, sir. So can change also meters per second. The speed,
Yeah.
Unit.
Unit.
Yeah.
Can change.
Unit. Meter.
unit.
Ate siguro.
Yes.
Okay,
Ah.
okay.
Ah.
Okay. Thank you.
Normally to better to not
Nuts, yeah.
indicate. Yes. Sometimes to
Meter per second.
meter.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Sometimes.
Because sometimes other ports not exceed 10 meters per second or like that.
Depend on the port.
Iwakuni, I think 5 meters per second. May rules yan eh, may camera. Yeah. So it's good, thank you.
Okay.
これはゴルのスペシャルオーダー。